The RV industry is going to undergo a permanent transformation. The future of travel is clean, quiet, and driven by innovation. Forget about the rumbling of a diesel engine and the smell of gasoline. This is the 2026 BYD Motorhome, a groundbreaking all-electric car that blends modern living with cutting-edge technology. This is a vision of sustainable adventure, with a strong, silent electric powertrain and a sleek, aerodynamic body intended for optimal efficiency. It has an amazing long range since it is powered by BYD's patented Blade battery and is constructed on their cutting-edge E-platform. This vehicle is more than just a camper. It's a zero-emission house on wheels that can carry you farther than you could have ever dreamed, with an estimated range of more than 400 miles. The cockpit is more reminiscent of a spacecraft than a campervan when you first enter. The large, spinning touchscreen display that controls every car function dominates the dashboard, which is a study in minimalist design. Everything is here, easily navigable, and completely adjustable, including climate control and navigation. Key driving information is shown on a tiny digital screen behind the steering wheel, and you can operate everything using voice commands and gesture controls without taking your eyes off the road. The end effect is a neat, clutter-free area that puts an emphasis on use and technology. The BYD Motorhome's living area is the ideal fusion of elegant style and practical functionality. Because the arrangement is entirely modular, you may change the room to suit your needs. The dining table can fold away, the sofa can glide out to make more space, and ambient LED lighting can be controlled by voice to change color and create the ideal ambience. The cabin is filled with natural light from the huge panoramic windows, which gives it a light, airy, and welcoming vibe. Each surface is made from premium, sustainable materials, demonstrating that elegance and environmental responsibility can coexist. There is a calm and peaceful bedroom hidden away in the back. A plush, full-sized mattress that is ideal for traveling is the primary bed. With built-in storage that is deftly concealed to preserve the minimalist look, the surrounding area is designed for leisure. A huge skylight above you provides an amazing view of the stars, making your overnight sleep a very special occasion. Away from the excitement of the day, it is a secluded haven where you may rest and rejuvenate. The bathroom, which seems more like a luxury hotel than an RV, is a monument to ingenious engineering. It has a clean, ceramic toilet, a sleek vanity with a designer sink, and a contemporary water-saving shower system. With built-in lighting and intelligent ventilation to avoid moisture accumulation, the area is airy and practical. This area is both stylish and useful for traveling because of the use of high-quality, long-lasting materials. The BYD Motorhome's kitchen is made for today's cook. Fully furnished with high-end equipment that run on the main battery, the kitchen is clever. There is a huge refrigerator with a freezer, a convection oven, and an electric induction cooktop. Every pot, pan, and pantry item has a place thanks to the clever storage options and the counter's smooth, easily cleaned solid surface. With the ease of a typical house, you may cook anything from a fast snack to a gourmet supper in this area.